Water dripping from indoor unit of air conditioner is normal, but it depends on its amount. While a small amount of water dripping is normal, this happens especially if you live in a very hot or humid place. But excessive leakage is not normal at all. So it's important to know about causes of your air conditioner leaking water and how to take care of this problem. There are few reasons as to why there is a huge amount of water leakage from your air conditioner, and that also on a regular basis. First reason is blocked drain pipe. The drain pipe of the air conditioner carry the water out of the unit. If, however, there are large block in this pipe, the water accumulates and start to drip from the air conditioner's body. So check the drain pipe and clear any blockage that may prevent the water from draining out. Once the blocks are cleared and the water flows out, there won't be a leakage problem anymore. Second reason may be unclean filter of air conditioner. Every air conditioner has an air filter. This air filter out the dust and dirt from the atmosphere and allows only the clean air to get into the house. The air conditioner filter thereafter need to be cleaned regularly. If the filter is dirty and clogged, the evaporator coil of the air conditioner get frozen and this result in the excess water to spill indoors. To resolve this issue, check the air conditioner filter and ensure they are clean. If they are dirty or clogged, clean them through and your problem should be fixed. Next reason may be damaged condensate tray. The condensate tray of air conditioner collect the condensed water. If, however, the tray is broken, rusted or damaged, the water will seep through it and leak into the room when the air conditioner is running. Fourth reason may be incorrect installation. If your air conditioner is new and has been installed just, then you need to check if it is air conditioner installation has been done properly or not. Incorrect or faulty air conditioner installation often lead to water leakage. If there is a gap between the unit and the condensate tray or a drain pipe is exposed, the condensed water will start dripping into the room. So be careful when installing the air conditioner and get it fixed properly. Fifth reason may be insufficient refrigerant level. You need to properly stock up the refrigerant inside the air conditioner. If the level of the refrigerant are low, the air conditioner pressure will fall. This will lead to the evaporator coil freezing and water seeping in thereafter. So ensure you put in the required amount of refrigerant into the air conditioner as and when required. So these were the major reason of water dripping from air conditioner. Hope this video will help you to keep your air conditioner maintained.